Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello class 7 pupils, how are you? It's my hope that you are fine, and I'm fine too. I want to take you through a mathematics lesson on capacity. Capacity is the amount of liquid in a container. So capacity deals with liquids. There are many units of capacity. The main units of capacity. These are, capacity is given either in liters, is given either in milliliters or deciliters. There are very many units of capacity, but these are the main units that we are going to look at. The liters, which is abbreviated as L. The milliliters are abbreviated as ML, and the deciliters are abbreviated as DL, deciliters. Liter is the largest capacity, the largest unit of capacity, while milliliter is the smallest unit of capacity. Let's look at the relationship between the units of capacity. Well, we say 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. 1 liter is equivalent to 10 deciliters. 1 liter is equivalent to 10 deciliters. And also, 1 deciliter is equivalent to 100 milliliters. That is the relationship between the units of capacity. Remember I said we have the liter, the deciliter, and the milliliter. That is the order from the largest to the smallest. So, what will you do when you are converting liters to milliliters? Liters is the largest unit of capacity to milliliters. Remember what we said in the units of length. What we said in the units of length. We are from small unit to large unit. When you are converting a small unit to a large unit, we say you divide. You divide. When you're converting a small unit to a large unit, for example, converting milliliters to liters, you are converting from a small unit to a large unit, so you divide. And the vice versa, that is from large unit to small unit, we multiply. From small unit to large unit, we divide. From large unit to small unit, we multiply. For example, you are told to convert liters to deciliters. To convert liters to deciliters, for example, convert 2 liters to deciliters. Convert 2 liters to deciliters. We are converting from liters to deciliters. From large unit to small unit. We are converting from a large unit to a small unit. So we multiply. Multiply by what? 1 liter is equivalent to 10 deciliters. So 2 liters, you multiply 2 times 10, which is 20 deciliters. So when you are converting from large unit to small unit, we multiply either by 1000, by 10, or by 100, depending on the units given. To convert from a small unit to a large unit, for example, convert 300 milliliters to deciliters. Convert 300 milliliters to deciliters. We are converting from milliliters to deciliters. From milliliters to deciliters. That means it's from small unit to a large unit. From small unit to large unit, we divide. From small unit to large unit, we divide. So, we are converting milliliters to deciliters. What are we going to divide with? We divide, remember, 1 deciliter is equal to 100 milliliters. So, 3000 milliliters, you divide by 100. You realize that these are 30 deciliters. These are 30 deciliters. That is how you convert units of capacity. From small units, that is from liters to milliliters, converting liters to milliliters, From a large unit to a small unit, we multiply. We multiply by 1000. To convert liters to deciliters is from large unit to small unit. We still multiply by 10. To convert milliliters to liters, that means we are converting from small unit to a large unit. From small to large, we divide. Small to large, divide. Large to small, multiply. What are we dividing with? We divide by 1000. Why? Because 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. That is the relationship between the units of capacity. Let's look at the units relationship between capacity and volume. The relationship of the units between volume and capacity. Volume and capacity. We say 1 liter or a cubic container, this is a water tank that measures 1 meter long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter high. This is a container that measures 1 meter long of side 1 meters. This is a cubic water tank. How much water will this container hold when full? It will contain 1000 liters. It has a capacity of 1000 liters. So, what is the relationship between cubic meters? Remember we said the volume is given in cubic units, either cubic meters or cubic centimeters. So, we say that 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1000 liters. Meaning what? A container that measures 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter will hold 1000 liters of water. Let's look at another unit, another container. This is a small container. Another container. So this is the relation between cubic meters and cubic centimeters. A container that holds we say 1000, that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. These are not meters, these are centimeters. A container that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters will hold 1000 liters. Meaning what? No, will hold 1 liter of water. Will hold 1 liter. A container that measures 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters will hold 1 liter of water. Meaning what? 1000 cubic centimeters, that is the volume of this container, will only hold 1 liter of water. If you have a container that measures 10 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide by 10 centimeters high, you will realize that it will only contain 1 liter of liquid. Meaning what? 1000 cubic centimeters is equals to 1 liter. And 1 cubic centimeter. So these are the relationship between the units of capacity and volume. Suppose we are told a rectangular container measures 2 meters, a rectangular water tank measures 3 meters long by 2 meters wide by 2 meters high. A rectangular container measures 3 meters long by 2 meters wide by 2 meters high. How much water will this container hold when full? So here you are given the units, the dimensions of the container in meters. So you are going to give your answer in liters. How much water in liters will this container hold when full? So you get the volume of that container. How do we get the volume of cuboids? Volume is given by length times width times height. So we first get the volume, that is 3 times 2 times 2, which is 12 cubic meters. How many liters will this container hold when full? We are converting, we know that 1 cubic meter is equals to 1000 liters. So to get the capacity, we multiply by 1000. You will say that it contains 12,000 liters. It It has a capacity of 12,000 liters. So that is the relationship between volume and capacity. That 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1,000 liters, meaning that a container that measures 1 meter long by 1 meter wide by 1 meter high will contain 1,000 liters of water. And a container that measures 10 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide by 10 centimeters high will hold 1 liter of water. Thank you very much, and God bless you.